NIPOF! Let's find out!
Hi friends, 5 big questions today.
And 5 silly answers from me. Question time. Why does the moon change shape? Easy, the moon borrows cookie cutters.
Nope, watch this. The moon is always a ball. As it orbits, we see different sunlit parts.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, those changing shapes are the moon's phases.
Question time. Why do spiders make webs? Easy, spiders decorate for Halloween year-round.
Nope, watch this. Many spiders spin silk webs. Sticky webs catch insects for food.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, different spiders build different web styles.
Question time. Why does vinegar smell strong? Easy, vinegar yells into a megaphone.
Nope, watch this. Vinegar has sharp-smelling molecules. They float into your nose and smell strong.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, that's acetic acid saying hello.
Question time. Why do gears turn each other? Easy, gears are holding hands and spinning.
Nope, watch this. Gear teeth fit together. One gear's teeth push the next gear around.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, different sizes change speed and force.
Question time. Why do we get hiccups when excited? Easy, excitement installs a hiccup app.
Nope, watch this. Big feelings can mess with your breathing muscle. The diaphragm spasms, hiccups.
Wait, that actually makes sense.
Yes, they usually stop on their own. Recap time, here are all 5 questions. Pause the video and try to answer them yourself.
No peeking, I'm watching you.
Ready? Quick answers, go. Number 1, we see different lit parts as the moon orbits Earth. Number 2, webs catch food, sticky traps for insects. Number 3, vinegar releases smell molecules that hit your nose hard. Number 4, teeth push so one spinning gear turns the next. Number 5, excitement can irritate the diaphragm into spasms.
I got most of them right.
See you next time, stay curious.